Examine this channel with over 14 million subscribers, featuring a popular video that has garnered nearly 100 million views. The majority of its videos consistently exceed 10 million views. This channel, along with numerous others in the same niche, focuses on sharing simple lo-fi beats against a plain backdrop. Notably, this video is monetized, showcasing that you can establish a similar channel even without expertise in music or editing. Curious about how this is achievable? Fear not, as I'm about to guide you through a step-by-step process of creating a lo-fi channel with the aid of AI. However, merely setting up a channel won't cut it. You need to reach 1,000 subscribers and accumulate 4,000 hours of watch time. It's a challenging task, but I'll reveal a method for achieving quick success, so make sure not to skip any part of the video. Let's get started. First and foremost, let's craft some lo-fi beats. For this, I'll be utilizing the AI tool MuBert, a music creator AI tool widely embraced by content creators and artists for producing various music styles. To begin creating your own music, click on Generate a Track. On the subsequent page, you'll need to input data about your music track in the prompt box. This is where you can enter a text prompt for music generation or select genres, modes, and activities. Starting with genres, a diverse range is available, and you can choose any. I'll opt for ambient. Moving on to moods, I'll choose calm. Next, in the activities section, if for instance you want to create sleeping music, navigate to the Sleep Activities tab and select Nature as the sound type. Having selected our music genres, modes, and activities, the next step is to determine the track length. The default is 45 seconds, but I'll adjust it to 3 minutes, and after ensuring everything is configured, press the Generate Track button. MuBert will take some time to generate the music. Let's skip ahead to the result. And there it is. A piece of perfect sleeping music tailored for nature activities. I personally love this track. To save it on your device, click on the download icon. Keep in mind that you need to create an account to download the music track. Simply create a free account using your Google, Facebook, or email credentials. Once the account is set up, your music track will be added to the download folder after a processing period. Now let's create a piece of music with a text prompt. Click on Generate a Track, input your text prompt. For example, I'll insert Lloyd, and then change the length to 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Let's generate the music. And there it is. A beautiful LoFi beat has been created. Click on the download icon in the My Download tab to save the track. To address copyright issues, enter your channel URL where you plan to upload the music. If you don't have a YouTube channel or lack experience in creating a professional one, follow the next steps. For those who already have a channel or are familiar with the creation process, feel free to skip to 7 minutes and 4 seconds. Now, head to YouTube and sign up with a Google or Gmail account. Enter your channel name and a unique YouTube handle. If you need name suggestions, turn to ChatGPT for assistance. Ask ChatGPT to provide 10 name suggestions associated with your channel. Once you find a name you like, proceed to create a logo and banner for your channel using Canva. After logging into your Canva account, click on Create a Design, select YouTube channel logo, and search for a music channel logo from the template library. Alternatively, you can generate your own by coming to the Element tab and selecting Generate Your Own. Enter the text prompt. For instance, I'll use Music Wave logo. Next, let Canva AI generate 4 images for your channel name. If you're not satisfied, you can regenerate the pictures. I'll choose this one. Once you've selected the logo image, add a text template and insert your channel name. Customize the text font and color to enhance its visual appeal. Once everything is in place, download the logo in JPG format. With the logo ready, let's move on to creating a channel banner. Return to the Canva home page, click on Create a Design, and search for a YouTube channel banner. This time, I'll use a pre-made template and customize it. Similar to the logo design, you can generate a new one. After selecting your design, add the channel name and customize the color and font. Once satisfied, download the image. Now that we have our channel name, logo, and banner, let's customize the newly created YouTube channel. Start by inserting the channel name and creating a unique YouTube handle. This is our newly created channel. Click on Customize Channel. On this page, head to the Basic Info tab and add a channel description. You can ask ChatGPT to generate a channel description for you. After generating it, copy and paste it into YouTube. Move to the Branding tab to add or update your channel logo and banner. Click on Picture and upload the logo image. Then upload the banner image. Set the logo image as the watermark. Once everything is set, click on Publish to launch our new channel. After publishing, copy the channel link and paste it into Mubert. Click Continue, then Agree, and your music track will be automatically downloaded. Our first music track is ready. To download the second one, click on the download icon for track 2, agree, and download. Now our channel and music are prepared, but we can't upload the music directly. We first need to create a video with this music. Create a video like the one shown. The first step is obtaining an image, which can be generated using any image generator. I'll use Leonardo AI for its free accessibility. Upon entering Leonardo AI, choose Dream Shaper V7 as the featured model and adjust the aspect ratio to 16:9. To assist with prompts, use the prompt generation tool by clicking on the tab and entering your imaginative ideas. For instance, I'll input a cute girl listening to music wearing headphones, night dream. Leonardo will generate prompts, and you can choose one to generate the image. If unsatisfied, try another prompt or edit the existing one. Once content with the image, download it. Now let's create a video with this image. I'll use CapKit for its free availability and online version. If you're new to CapKit, create a free account, then click on Create a New Project. Upload the image and audio file, then drag and drop the audio file into the timeline. Insert the image and adjust its length with the audio. Add effects to enhance the video, apply filters if desired, and once everything is set, export and download the video. With the music video ready, upload it to your channel with a proper name, description, and tags. Ensure you include an eye-catching thumbnail. Moving on to achieving quick success on YouTube, consider live streaming, as live music tends to attract significant views and watch time. Platforms like OBS Studio and StreamYard support live streaming on YouTube. Personally, I use OBS Studio. If you're interested in details about live streaming, let me know in the comments and I'll create a separate video. Another method for success is to create longer videos, around 2 or 3 hours. Notice that videos on this channel are longer, so aim for a similar length. Now let's discuss important aspects of Mubert AI. The free trial allows 25 tracks per month with attribution. For commercial use, the Pro version is available, offering a commercial license and the ability to create 500 tracks monthly. If hesitant to spend money initially, consider joining the affiliate program. Click Become Affiliate, fill out the form, and get a unique link. Share this link in your video descriptions. If someone joins Mubert through your link, you earn a commission. Once you've earned enough, you can purchase a Pro plan. I'll conclude the video now. Share your experiences with creating a LoFi channel with AI in the comments section. Like the video if it was helpful, subscribe for more tutorials, and thank you for watching. Until next time, happy creating.